Hello! I'm standing here next to this magnificent old oak, a very big and heavy tree, and it has sprung from this very small acorn. And standing here it makes you wonder, how did it get from this to this? I'm going to show you a clip where students from MIT University in USA were asked this question on their graduation day.
Graduation day at Harvard and MIT.
Here's a seed.
Okay.
Okay? Now hold on to that for a second.
Okay.
Imagine that I planted that in the ground
Okay.
and a tree grew. All right? And here is a piece of that tree.
Sure.
Okay? Now, where did all that stuff come from?
So where do plants come from? You look at these beautiful big redwood trees, these great spreading valley oaks, and you know they start from this little tiny seed. It's miraculous. Where does all that weight come from?
The mass came from a lot of things, I'd guess. I'd guess from water that it sucked up from the ground. I would guess from minerals that it sucked up from the ground.
Water, light, soil.
Well, I suppose in terms of raw mass, most of it's probably derived from actual matter in the soil itself.
And some of it comes from water, obviously, but a large amount of it comes from the nutrients that the roots absorb from the soil.
Now, what would you say to someone who said to you that most of the weight of the tree came from the carbon dioxide in the air?
I would say I would have no idea. I'd have to think about that.
I would disagree because this same volume of air wouldn't weigh this much unless it was highly compressed.
I would say that's very disturbing and wonder how that could happen.
It's a very strange idea that somehow the air, which they view as nothing, as weightless, as insubstantial, somehow makes a tree, a giant tree that weighs several tons. I mean, that's absolutely incredible.
That'd be hard to believe because carbon dioxide is, well, it's a gas, and it doesn't seem intuitive that you could add mass taking in a gas.
So it's not that an easy question, is it? What would your answer be when asked this? Where does it come from, the mass of this tree?